Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
As long as I can remember, on my birthday, I always had the same 2 wishes: for world peace and a dog. I got one of those wishes, and his name is Enzo. If I look joyful in this clip, it's because truly I am. Sure, there's a lot to complain about, but that goes for everyone in life. I'm grateful to be walking my dog, breathing clean air, and there's billions of people on our planet suffering right now. Turn on the news or social media and it's everywhere. It affects us on such a deep cellular level, this negative information. Take it from Japanese researcher Dr. Emoto, New York Times bestselling author of The Hidden Messages in Water. His discoveries are some of the most profound of the 21st century. As you can see in the examples shown, his work shows the direct effect of thoughts, words, and intentions on water crystal formations, and therefore on the human body, as we are made up of mostly water. This study very simply shows how connected everyone and everything is, beyond the constructs of space and time, and beyond what we may have been told is possible. But the truth of what's possible in our lifetime anyways is beyond our comprehension. We are limitless beings, and we do have the ability to move far beyond what we feel is possible and live in a world of love, peace, and harmony for all. You might be thinking, how can she be so naive? A world of love, peace, and harmony for all? Doesn't she know what's going on our planet? Which makes total sense. There's so much suffering on our planet. It's everywhere. And this is some footage from when I was in India, connecting with a little girl, Johnny. She was showing me around her house and her shower and the water.
Yeah, this is it. Yeah, that water is definitely a breeding ground for mosquitoes and flies and viruses.
As heartbreaking as that experience was, it's a wake-up call. It's a wake-up call from the universe, from the higher power, whatever you want to call it, to wake up to what's in front of us. Wake up to every single moment with gratitude, with compassion, with love, with light, to realize the gift of life that's in front of us and how blessed we are. This call led me to discover the Love, Peace, and Harmony movement, a movement to gather millions of people around the world to sing, listen, and play a song, Love, Peace, and Harmony, with a high frequency and a positive message to transform the message within and the world message to love, peace, and harmony. Can one song really change the world? Can one song really bring love, peace, and harmony to our planet? In my humble opinion, yes, it can.
Peace and happiness!
There are already millions of people around the world singing Love, Peace, and Harmony, translated in over 50 languages. It's raising the frequency and vibration of communities, classrooms, organizations, countries, and our planet. Will you join and create a world of love, peace, and harmony, and help make my birthday wish come true?